having fun.
All right, you want it now?
Yeah, man, just
All right.
Oops.
All right, no. Yes, Shani. So Nev had a guest yesterday who said it's the new year and right now you can't find parking space at the gym. And by March 1, lots of parking spaces at the gym because things go back to normal. All that's left is us old faithfuls. No. But I'm sure that won't be the case if you're working out with this powerhouse. She's the CEO of Yasso Fitbox. Yasso. Shani McGraham Shirley is here. She's brought a friend. Her name is Noel. Hi, Noel. Good morning.
Hey, Noel. Hey.
Shani has been doing this thing for such a long time. This is in your... Why did you do it? It's a passion, obviously. It's more than that.
It is. It really is. I never started out that way. I was actually a school teacher before.
So what happened?
Change in direction. I was so heavy after my third child. 3 babies, 3 pregnancies, 200 pounds each time.
Lies.
Yeah, I made it big. Big like house.
Too light.
Big like house at my like a 5'2" frame. And on the third one, I said I needed to get back fit, get working. I met Zumba, met it like a person, fell in love with it, and the rest is history. I started teaching it, left the classroom, so I left teaching babies for teaching the big people them.
Yeah.
Who are just big babies.
Who are babies, nonetheless. And you've had several kind of ventures. Now you're at Barbican Sports Complex.
Yes.
And you have Yasso Fitbox.
Loving it.
What's the difference about Yasso Fitbox for people who...
Well, people knew me at Chai Studios. So that was my first fitness baby. For almost 7 years, I got into boot camps. The 2 locations, I needed more space. So moving to Barbican Sports Complex, I have the field, I have the beach field. I can mix different styles. I could have gone bigger. Music is a driving force for me.
Yeah,
so I know
know.
where we were before, people were like, Lord Shani, the music is vibrating through the walls.
Yeah, you don't have that problem now.
Girl,
do you still have your...
pure space.
Do you still have your pole?
No, I gave up pole fitness. Because I'm bringing something else.
Question, what is a boot camp?
Boot camp, that is where it's more of an outdoor training, still a lot of plyometrics and calisthenics, flipping tires, throwing sledgehammers. So a lot of people look at this very short-framed person and go, okay, she couldn't be that serious.
No, you're trying.
I challenge you, come to my boot camp and you realize it turn up.
And again, forgive my ignorance, but how is that different from going into a gym?
Well, outdoor training, it's a different style of training that you're doing. Your cross-fitness modalities. So in studio, we're doing a lot of weight training, lifting weights, toning, sculpting. Dance fitness stuff goes cardio. When we're outdoors, you're doing also natural elements. A lot of people don't like working out indoors. It's just using different muscle groups in different combinations and keeping it interesting. A lot of people lose interest in exercise because of boredom.
It's routine.
It's routine. You don't want
Same
to always
thing
do
over
the exact same thing.
Yeah.
There's something also called muscle confusion.
Yeah.
You don't want to be doing the same style of training all the time. You want to mix it up. Fun, interesting, outside of the box.
Yeah.
Everything about me has always been outside
So
of the box.
you take somebody like me who don't have a fitness regime, or you take somebody who have to be fit.
I take everybody.
Okay.
And what's interesting about my classes, people ask me, do you have a beginner class for boot camp, beginner class for Zumba? I don't do beginner classes. Reason being, I find if you come into a beginner class and the level is here, people are always going to fall short of a level. They're not going to meet their max potential in a set class. So when I have a standard class, I give modifications to include everybody.
Right.
So I can have an athlete come to my class and it's up here, intensify his reps, give him max moves. If I have a beginner, I lessen the amount of weights they have, lessen the reps, give modifications. Instead of a jump squat, you're just going to give me a basic squat.
What are you going to show us this morning?
All right. I said, what's interesting to show people that one, you don't need equipment all the time. You don't have to do the exact same boring thing. You can grab a friend. Could have been my husband. Could be a best friend. Could be a sister. And we're going to do a partnered workout. So we're just going to show you 4 interesting but challenging.
Okay.
So nobody get freed.
No.
I would have loved to see the 2 of you try some.
No.
Yes, we will, because we're a team.
It's literally just partnered
we'll
things.
not think.
go
Speak
now.
for yourself.
Oh yeah, this game is funny. Let me see what they will try. Yeah. All right. So the first one we're going to do is just a squat,
Sorry.
but a supported squat. Yeah, so you guys can try the first one. I won't make you try the
Here,
rest.
squats, yeah.
All right, so
We
you're going
can
to
do
stand.
anything. We're fit.
Both are going to use the right hand. Yeah? make sure it's taut and you have tension between both of you.
Okay.
You're going to sit back into a squat, but pushing your butt back, and you have to do it simultaneously. Never that mean together. I'm going to read a little dictionary sometimes. You ready? All the way down, slow, slow,
down.
and bring it back up. Switch hands. Again, reach for the floor. Slow. Go on, yes. Again, all the way down.
You not rate me.
Yeah. One more time.
Simone, when I feel me, I pull you back up, sir.
Yeah,
You're
so
not
you have to
pulling.
ensure that your weight balance between you. Another one.
Clap with them.
All right.
Clap.
Clap yourself. Listen to what I say.
Thank you very much.
Good job. All right. You have underskirt, so you're not about to kick in.
Oh.
You're going to kick over her head. Stretch out your foot, Neville. Make sure you're like
No.
flexible and pliable. All right, I'm ready.
Yeah, man.
You're going to do it. I won't bother make
Should
you
I
blind
bend down?
everybody. Yeah, you're going to bend
Yeah,
down.
cause
Wait, no,
So,
I'm see
we're
where
going
you
to
went.
squat.
Yeah?
I will kick over you first. Make sure you know who kick in first.
Yeah,
You
man.
take off the person head.
Yeah, man.
Ready? I kick in first. Go. Over. 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 So we're alternating as we're kicking. So you're getting the squats, you're getting the flexibility of the leg extension. Don't kick off me.
Yeah, me like how it look. Me
You
like
ready?
how that. No, me like how that
You're
look.
right. Come. All right.
No,
stay
he
there.
we
But
don't
you
have to
don't
do
Me and
use
you,
that
me and you,
person.
me and you.
No, me and she, man. She
No,
alright.
me and you.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, me first.
All
Me
right.
first.
You will kick first?
Yeah.
No, if you kick me now, retribution.
Me
All right,
first.
you ready? I'm
Yeah.
going to squat first.
Yes, I'm going to kick first.
I'm
Go
gonna
down
kick you
there.
back, you know. Go on. Go down.
Wait.
Well,
Well,
Nearly just-
Shot, never kick Charlie the first time.
No, I'm
No.
never
He kick you
He
onto
never-
your shoulder.
No,
I heard the contact.
I did not touch her.
Because believe me, I kick him back.
Never, you need to lift your like iron.
I did
Higher,
not
go
touch.
on again.
No, don't have to
Go
go.
even higher then.
Did I touch you?
You hear me?
Did I touch you?
You touch,
You
on
touch
your
me.
shoulder, right?
She lie. All right, go down.
All right, go on now.
So,
Alternate. Next leg.
so,
Yes.
so.
All right, go on. You see, I'm tired now.
Never look
You're
like
not
you're
tired.
gonna
do-
island seat.
Push up.
Come now, wait now. Over
All right, let's see. Go on.
Can't go over your head.
Why
That
not?
is skirt, my girl. What school did you go to?
Oh, immaculate.
Exactly. Us immaculate girls know for height
Well,
itself.
all right, do not play with me. Don't play with me.
Watch our good. Watch
You're
our
going to kick.
You don't trust me?
Which close up?
Yeah, you ready?
Trust me.
Yeah.
Go on
Squat
down.
now. Hey!
No, man.
All right, we're going to do another one. Push-ups. Everybody knows push-ups and they're so boring. If you want to turn up your push-up, here we go. So I will take it down. My partner, Noelle, is going to balance her feet across my back. So it's going to increase the weight for me, yeah? She's doing a decline push-up. Go for it. And then I go. She goes. Then I go.
Yeah, we're going to.
Are you ready?
No,
Yeah,
we're
no,
going.
we
we're
going. We going too.
We goes. We goes.
You're not coming.
Who no must say
Well, we're
man?
going.
You're not.
Who no
I
must say
thought we're
man?
doing this neck and neck. I thought we're
Which
doing
neck?
it together.
No,
No?
no, neck
All
and
right.
neck and knee.
Right.
Now this one will be even
Neck
more
and knee.
interesting. Let's see if you do this one. Now we want to turn up the ab work. Yeah?
That did
like
what?
core.
Just the arms?
A lot of upper body. Now
Yeah.
any form of plank position takes core also.
And this one did what?
That works your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, a lot of leg work,
'cause I could
also
see- I could feel it
flexibility
right here.
of the stretch. So when you're doing things, they have to counter each other. So if you're doing a power move, you need to stretch it.
But
Yeah?
the first thing you should do is to stretch.
Stretch.
Yeah,
before you-
stretch and warm up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because
Yeah.
once you first stretch and
And
get
warm
the joints
down.
ready,
What do you mean
People
by
don't
stretch
know
and
the
warm up?
importance of
It's in
warming.
stretching, warming up.
no, you want your blood to start pumping. That's why you maybe start jogging first. You want everything to be pliable. When the bodies are warm, the muscles are more pliable and less
Less
susceptible
injury.
to injuries.
Yeah.
Okay, this one, nice and interesting.
Anytime you say nice and interested, Mr. Adfred.
It's that Fred.
Yeah.
She's gonna support herself on my shoulders first.
Yeah.
She's gonna lap her legs around my waist.
Yeah, man, me
And
like
she's
that
going to
one.
do an
Come
in-
sit.
Here we go.
Me like that
An
one.
incline to decline sit up. A crunch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tummy tight. Here she goes, all the way down and up. Breathe. So here she's really working the abs. Proper turn up. People think this is such a hard position for the person standing. It really isn't. It's more of a balance exercise for me. One more. Here we go. And
Come on, me like that. Come
And
sit.
you're strong, you know.
Come sit.
go on now. You ready?
Me nah.
You ready? Neville, how much you weigh? How much you weigh, Neville?
160.
All right, come. You want to jump on me?
No, sir.
You want to jump on me?
No, because you make me drop. No, I
just
want to
fling you
jump
off.
on you, but not here.
No bother with David. Come for him.
Just saying.
Come for him,
These are the
David.
things. So look here now, you offer a range of, tell me everything you offer. Zumba, obviously.
Okay. Everybody knows
Must
me as
be
the
there.
Zumba queen.
Yes.
We do so dance fit. That is more of a dance hall, soca, Afrobeat style of dance fitness. Pilates, yoga, spinning, boot camp, sculpt. Did I say yoga?
Yeah.
We offer so many activities and exercises, but everything is fun.
But not all in one or all in one.
When you say all in one, that's
In
when you
other
can pay
words-
for a membership.
No, if you come, you just do a Zumba class or you
You
do
choose classes.
Okay. What
So
would
we
be the
have
cost for
for an entire a drop-in. First of all, if you want to do outdoor drop-in for just boot camp alone, that's only $1,000. If you're doing in-studio classes, that's $2,000. Or have to pay for the little light bill and the AC and them things. you
per
know?
class?
Per class. But we also have month memberships. We have vouchers. We do specials and discounts for students or nurses and teachers.
Okay.
So there's a package for everybody.
Brilliant.
And you always are convenient for
Oh my
working
goodness.
people.
We start as early as 5 o'clock in the morning and the last class ends 8:30 at night.
Well, you're so passionate about this.
I am.
man.
Yeah.
I am, because I found, for me, all my years of having weight on, I didn't enjoy exercise. I don't want to run on a treadmill. I don't want to be
I
doing
hate
something
it.
mundane and boring. That's how come I first brought pole and the dance fitness with Zumba, because I wanted to do something that challenged me, but that was fun and exciting. So even my classes now, my classes are hard, I won't lie. But you giggle and you laugh, my mouth doesn't stop. We give joke, I give challenging but fun exercises
We have
like these.
35 seconds. Give me a Zumba thing to take us to the break.
Will you give me some music?
I don't know. You know music?
All right, go on, turn
And
that
that
up.
go work for Zumba.
Any form of dancing. Ready?
Yep.
Travel. Hey, once music playing, you gonna come try?
No?
Yeah, man.
Anything. Once music playing, I can move.
Hold on. I like that move there now. Hold on.
You going to do that one?
You must say, man. Just
Let's go.
Which doesn't get so weird. What's this woman, man?
Johnny, where do we find you? Where's Yasso?
At Barbican Sports Complex.
Yeah.
That's where the football field is in Barbican.
Okay. Contact like a Instagram.
I'm on it. I'm a social. You can find Yasa Fitness,
YAH.
YAH, or shani.fitness.lifestyle.
Brilliant.
Awesome.
Brilliant to see you. All the
Tasha
best.
Hutton, good morning.
No, it's
Just
great
for
to
that.
meet
Chief
you.
Executive Officer of Yasso Fitbox, Shani McGraham Shirley, and the
Noel.
great Noel.
And I was
And the great
brilliant.
Neville Bell, who
No, I
is
was
so
brilliant.
fit.
Good job. Good
I don't
That
job.
know.
was brilliant. You like that move there?
I like it. Yeah, no
We'll be
bother
right
with
back.
it.
Soon come. You kicked the lady though.
I did not.
Any-
I
I
did
saw
not.
you.
Who I can sue?
He
Who I can
did.
sue?
He
No, I
did.
didn't.
She's a lawyer.
did.
We're
I did
sue them.
not.
We're sue them.
We'll talk after.
Soon
Talk
come.
off here.